Houston area hospitals are doing everything they can to help heal those infected. Tonight, Ron Trevino takes us to Katy to look at a special unit designed to handle the sickest of COVID-19 patients.
Houston Methodist's continuing care facility was originally set up for patients needing long-term care. It still does that, but also here now coronavirus patients. The hospital is home to what's called a highly infectious disease unit.
This was actually established a few years back when the Ebola crisis had started in anticipation of any potential cases coming here.
Pulmonary and critical care physician Dr. Mir Ali Khan has been treating coronavirus patients. Houston Methodist shot this video of the other doctors and nurses who volunteered to work here to fight coronavirus on the front lines.
You know, we've got people from the medical center, from Sugarland, from Willowbrook, from Woodlands, from all over, who are coming together for the common cause, for the common good of the community.
Medical staff members do what they can to protect themselves as they treat the patients. Patients ranging in age from their 20s to their 90s. The patients are in negative pressure rooms, meaning the air in the rooms goes through a filter before being released outside. Dr. Ali Khan says the fight is far from over.
Most of the epidemiologists in the Houston and in the Texas areas are still anticipating that there will still be a rise in cases over the next 1 to 2 weeks. So we're still trying to be as prepared as possible and make sure that we, have everything ready to go.
It is quite the operation. Ron Trevino, thank you.